YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. This is my project share for Christmas All Year 2025 that I am hosting. Thank you for tuning in this morning. And I am going to be real quick today so that you can stop by the other ladies and see what they have created for your inspiration. So this collab is all about getting a jump start on Christmas crafting for 2025. So when that time rolls around, we will be sitting back, wrapping gifts, preparing for family to come in, and all of our crafting for Christmas will be complete. This collaboration, of course, is a year-long collab. We will be coming on every second Sunday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we will be sharing Christmas projects with all of you. And if you want to participate, you can play along as well. All you have to do is just use the hashtag. I will leave that hashtag in the screen. All you have to do is just use that hashtag in the title or in the description of your video so that we can find you and play along. Make sure you check down in the description box below so you can check out all of the ladies that are participating in this collaboration. I will have links to their YouTube channels so you can follow along today and be inspired in getting your crafty area and start your Christmas crafting. So let's get started. Don't forget to like the video, you guys, to support my channel. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at ScrapPassion01. Please follow me over there as well. So let's get started. And this is what I played with for this month. For Christmas All Year. It's called the Treat Box Dies by Anna Griffin. You guys know, if you follow my channel, that I am a big Anna Griffin lover. I love her products and her dies are just top of the line. So I have a really good collection of Anna Griffin dies, and this particular die was available in the Create 7, I think, that was for 2024. And I don't participate in those. That's where you have these big boxes that you purchase, and then they have some time assigned or scheduled that you go online, and she does tutorials, and you use all the wonderful products, and you're online with all these different, crafters. It's just it's really nice, and I wish I could. But, they're a little pricey, and a lot of times I just don't like everything that they may have in the box. And so it's really not worth it for me to pay that if I'm not going to use everything in the box. So, but this is one I had to have, okay? I was like, oh my God, I gotta get this treat box die. I saw some really cute projects using this die. And you guys, I went on eBay. I was so happy. I mean, I was just, oh my God, my fingers was moving so fast to say buy, 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 buy. And I got it at a decent price because, sometimes eBay can be a little crazy, but I was able to get this die brand new and for a decent price. So I was over the moon excited. And this is the only die that I wanted out of the box. So you see what I'm saying? This is the one that I wanted. I'm going to play with this die some more because I only put together one treat box. That's all I had time to do. But let me share that with you. So as you can see, I went with a gingerbread theme. And I love this little shadow box window. I followed a tutorial of how to put the shadow box window. I will leave a link to that video down below if you have this die and you want to follow that tutorial. I used the Gingerbread Bakery, a cute little ephemera piece up here, and then I added some more of the gingerbreads right there, you know, to just make it pop a little bit. And then you guys know I love bows. I'm sorry, I had to add a bow to this. So I made this cute little bow out of this gingham ribbon here and included it. I used some mirror card because, you know, it's stronger and I wanted my box to have some sturdiness. And of course, I'm going to add some gingerbread cookies in here, and this will be a cute little gift. Or if not gingerbread cookies, you can add, like, you know, around Christmas time, you can find the scented lotions and, you know, different stuff like that. That would be a cute idea. Maybe some gingerbread cookies, gingerbread lotion, you know, stuff like that. Or you can include like a little spatula, maybe some cookie mix. You know, those are some other things that can be included inside. But it's a really good size. I'm not going to open it, you guys, because it took me forever to get that bow on there. But it's a good size, so it can hold things like that. But I love it. I included these little stickers here, the little gingerbread cookies here on the edge. Now, right here, to frame out your shadow box, I wish there was a die in this set for that, but there was not. So I had to just cut my paper down to the size of the opening, and then I use my X-Acto knife and cut out the opening. That's how I had to do, to frame out this window. Like I said, I wish she would have included a die to frame out the shadow box, especially, you know, they did a tutorial on Create 7 for that. So that would have been nice. But anywho, I made it work. And this is how it turned out, you guys. I kept mine really simple. I mean, I didn't go over and beyond. This is how it looks on the back. Oh, and I had to share the side. Look at the side, the decorative piece. So that is my share for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to start crafting and get a jump start on your Christmas crafting. I hope you play along. Use the hashtag, you guys. And make sure you check out the other ladies. I will have links to their YouTube channels down in the description box. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new crafty video. Until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.